Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick beginner guide on how to use Notejoy. So to get started with a quick guide on how to use Notejoy. Notejoy is a collaborative note-taking app ideal for personal use and team project. Start by creating a personal or a shared Teams library. Add your notebook and individual note within. You can organize content with nested notebook and tags, format text like heading, list, coded snippet, and also attach file, embed videos or image, and even send notes using your email, all synced instantly across desktops and mobile. The app supports real-time collaboration, share libraries with views, comment, edit permission, watch live edit, leave comment or reaction, and track note interaction in the chatter's sidebar, plus powerful search, fast loading, dark mode, and a refreshed UI smooth on the experience on iPhone, Android, and Windows. Start simple, build your first note, then explore collaborations, rich formatting, and cross-device note as you go. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this note taking platform. And that's it.